Hey everyone, this is Nene Naturals, and today I'm going to show you all how I do my curly hair routine. Just know in this video I did not show you guys how I shampooed or conditioned my hair or even deep conditioned my hair, but I'll let you guys know what I used when I did that. But just know that the products that I used here to show my curly hair routine, you guys will see it in the video. So I hope you guys like my video. If you do, please subscribe, write any comments down below, and enjoy the video. So let's get started.
Hey guys, so my hair has been drying in this t-shirt after I washed my hair with the Castor Almond Milk Shampoo and Conditioner, and then I followed that up with the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask, and this is what my hair looks like after I rinsed it out. So now I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections. I do this because my hair is very thick and I have a lot of it, and it seems to tangle a lot, so I do this to separate my hair, and also I do it because it helps me stay organized. Okay, so all 4 sections are done, and you can tell with this section my hair has kind of dried out a little bit, so I'm just going to spray my hair down with some water. This is very important for a wash and go because you definitely want to make sure that your hair is super wet. Also, it provides great moisture and it allows your products to bind to your hair. So now I'm providing a leave-in to my hair, and I'm using the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. It's super lightweight and extremely creamy, and you can see here how it just melts into my hair. It also provides great slip, which allows me to detangle my hair, which you'll see in the next clip, and also it allows me to finger rake the product into my hair. Since my hair is super thick and curly, my hair tends to tangle up quickly, so I'm just going to use this wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, and it's the only time that I do not finger detangle. And here next is the cream, and I'm using Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curl Styling Lotion, and this lotion is super lightweight and creamy, and when I tell y'all this smells so good, oh my god, it's perfect for a wash and go, and it definitely helps clump your curls together. So I'm just going to finger rake that in and also use the praying hands method to mash that into my hair. Now I'm using the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend by Natural 85 here on YouTube, and this oil is non-greasy. It helps soften my hair as well as helps seal in the moisture from the other 2 products that I just put in. And just look at how moisturized and clumped my curls are. So here I'm just going to twist my hair to get it out of the way, and on to the next section. So again, you just want to spritz water into your hair to re-wet it. You want to take about that much of leave-in conditioner, which will add moisture to the hair, and it will also condition it. Then also detangle your hair with a wide tooth comb from ends to roots. Then apply the Multicultural Curl Styling Lotion to clump the curls together. curls look so good, y'all. And then last, apply oil to seal in the moisture. So all four sections have the leave-in conditioner, the styling lotion, and the oil incorporated to them, and my hair feels so good. So the last step is to add a gel. In this case, I'm using the Kinky Curling Custard. Sorry, my sticker came off. So this custard is one of my staple products because it has amazing hold and it provides great slip. So I'm going to separate this subsection into two because I want all of my hair strands to be coated in this stuff. With that amount, I'm going to start from the roots and rake that custard into my hair. And I'm also going to use the praying hands method to match the product into my hair. And here you can see how defined and clumped my curls are. Just look at them curls, y'all. So you want to make sure that you apply product to your roots as well so that they aren't puffy when your hair dries. You want to make sure your hair is defined from roots to ends. So by the time I got to the front of my hair, it was a little bit dry. So I re-moisturized my hair with water and I continued to rake and match the product into my hair. Once again, you want to make sure you get your roots. So when all the sections are done, I rake my fingers through my hair again, just to make sure the product is well incorporated into my entire head. So I'm just going to add the custard to my edges and also at the top of my crown, just to lay down any flyaways. And just look at my hair, guys. It's super moisturized, my curls are popping, and my hair is super shiny. So I'm going to let my hair air dry and I'll see you guys in a few hours. So this is the next morning and my hair is completely dry. And someone wants to say hello. Hey there. Anyways, so when my hair dries, it shrinks up all the way up to my neck. And if you're natural, then you definitely know shrinkage is real. So I use the banding method to stretch out my curls, which is when you put your hair in ponytails, and with using some rubber bands, you band all the way down to your ends. So I'm just going to take the bands out of my hair and fluff and shake out my hair to separate the curls. This gives you a lot of volume. So what I also do is take a pick and I pick out my roots to create some volume as well. Don't pick out too much because you definitely don't want to pick out the curl definition that you worked so hard for. My hair is super soft and my curls are also super defined. And here is a close-up of how my hair looks. And that's my curly hair routine. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.